guys, and good morning. Welcome to this new video of Project DevOps channel. And I am Abhigyan, and today I'm going to showcase you my new DevOps project. It is based upon the React and Fast API, and today I'm just showcasing it to you. And let's see how does it look like, and then I will be going ahead with the further actions as well. Thanks. So this is the user interface of the website. Actually, this is the Project DevOps website, like whatever we are planning to do in the future and upcoming sessions. Like we are launching our different products as well as we offer different services over the website and into the market. So we are also launching the training sessions. We are also launching the different sessions of productivity and professional trainings as well. So this is all about our Project DevOps team and Project DevOps uh, IT and service based firm. And today I'm going to show you how this website looks like and how the API and other interactions are also going well. So here is this website. Like this is how this website is looking, and the whole website is practically following the rules and regulations of DevOps practice. Like it is using the containerization, it is using the different Docker file, it is using the different infrastructures as well as it is hosted over the cloud services as well. So let us go ahead and see how this the other this whole website looks like. And so this is the about us page, and this is the dummy team page because we have not created the other team's profile here. Now this is the page of Project DevOps about us, and this is the services, like whatever the services we are providing. And going ahead with the careers, like in future and upcoming days we are also launching our career page where you can find different careers available at our team and our company, as well as we will be asking you for the uploading of your resume so that we can match your profile to any of the upcoming jobs into our team. So here the contact us page is also there, and you can send us the message as well, whatever the users like only whatever the users want to send us the message as a feedback, or they want to contact for any of the services or inquiry, they can do it here, and then we will be getting back to them as well. And this is the registration page. So let me clear it right now, and then it will be looking like this is the save page. So this is the registration page. Recently we are launching the tutorial session, online tutorial session, which is free, completely free of cost as of now. So we will be training live the students and freshers and IT people who are just mm, thinking to switch their career from the other profile to the DevOps profile as well. And going ahead with this registration, they can register with us as well. And here is the login page. So let us provide the login page and see how does the login page is looking like. And everything into this user interface is connected with the live database and backend as well. And going ahead with other things, like this is the dummy database. There is some of the dummy database as we have added because we have not completely launched this website for the user registration, but the everything and the whole project is live, whole the API is live, database is live, and the whole Project DevOps user interface built upon the React is live as well. So let us go ahead and click on the link. So this is our admin dashboard, and when user gets logged in, if the user is registered as a normal user, they can also mark their attendance, like whoever will be asking and whoever will be attending our online class upcoming in the upcoming week from the 16th of February 2025. They will be able to mark the attendance, as well as after registration and login they will be able to join the Google Meet session from here only. So the things are pretty much automated, and this is how the simple this is how this dynamic project is looking like the whole user interface, and backend is hosted over the fast API backend, and databases we are using currently as of now MongoDB databases as well. So this is the showcase of the profile. And if you guys also to want me to make the whole tutorial video of this project DevOps website and application, where I will showcase how to launch the application, how to set up the servers, how to set up the Docker file, and everything from scratch, then please just comment down on this YouTube comment box, and I will be making that video as well and upcoming sessions or upcoming week. But please don't forget, if you are watching this video till now, and then I am just expecting like you will be just put your like as well, and also you will be sharing your valuable feedback over the comment section. And if you want me to make the whole tutorial video, please comment as well, and I will be making the whole tutorial video for this. Thanks for watching this video, as this video was just to completely showcase this project, like how the DevOps project we are making. And currently we implemented the whole thing on our first of the things, like our own website, our project devops.in, and this is what we are going through and what we are doing. Thanks for watching the video, and please hit the like, and if you are watching till now, please subscribe as well. Thanks for watching the video once again.